This is Ardha Purvottanasana, reverse tabletop. It's a great pose that engages your whole body. It strengthens your arms and shoulders, your neck, back and core muscles, your glutes and legs. It stretches all your front muscles, but most importantly, it's a great stretch to your chest, shoulders and arms. Stretching these areas will allow you to breathe more deeply with ease and will help you to hold the correct posture during the day. Due to its intensive nature, your mind tends to focus on the here and now, which brings calmness to your mind and your body. Now let's get into the pose. Sit down on your mat and keep your knees bent. Leave some space between your heels and your buttocks. Your feet are hip distance apart and your toes are facing forward. Place your hands on the mat behind you with your fingers also facing forward. Straighten your back, roll your shoulders back, and slowly start walking backwards with your hands and simultaneously leaning back. Your back is straight the whole time. When you've created a 90 degrees angle between your torso and your thighs, inhale and lift your buttocks up until you create a straight line between your knees and shoulders. Hold your neck aligned with your back. Bring your chest forward and maintain the straight line. Don't let your body sag. In the final position, your wrists should be under your shoulders and your ankles under your knees. Keep breathing deep and slow. Here are some useful modifications for this pose. If it's difficult for you to keep your neck aligned with your back, support your head. Use a chair with blocks or books. If you feel pain or pressure on your wrists, try supporting them with a towel. Roll a towel and place it under your wrist. If it's still painful for your wrists, just stay like that. Due to the fact that this asana puts a lot of pressure on your wrists, I would suggest to avoid this position for some time. If you feel pressure on your knees, back or shoulders, or it's just difficult for you to maintain a straight line between your knees and shoulders, try lowering your buttocks only to the point where it feels good. Your back has to remain straight and don't let your shoulders come up. Keep your arms, core, and legs engaged.